Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 10th of September 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 jumped 0.5% today after yesterday's tumble to finish the week at 7,407 points. Materials companies were the best performers on the back of higher commodity prices. But most sectors ended the day in the black. The exceptions were the healthcare and real estate indices. Most of the large caps are up today. Fortescue Metals led the way, rising 2.6%, while Wesfarmers was more than 1% higher. James Hardie just keeps going and was up 2.3% for the day, taking its annual rise to more than 75%. Xero and REA Group both jumped more than 2% today. CSL, Transurban and Macquarie Group all declined, as did Aristocrat Leisure. Base metal prices have gone on a run. Now, base metals are things like copper, aluminium, lead, tin, nickel and zinc. They are, at least were, cheap metals compared to precious metals like gold and diamonds. But tight supply, strong demand and all sorts of supply chain problems have pushed prices to multi-year highs. Aluminium hit a 13-year record today and nickel hit its highest level since 2014. Today, Nickel Mines was the best performer of the top 200, up 8.5%. Alumina Limited was next best, up 6.3%. It's very handy when the name of the company tells you exactly what it does. Coal prices are also soaring, with coking coal pushing through $300 a tonne today for the first time in 5 years. A big part of the reason for the surging coal prices is Beijing's decision to ban Australian imports. Australia is a big producer of coal and China is a big buyer. Disrupting that dynamic has pushed prices higher globally. As a result, Whitehaven Coal rose 2.7% today. After weeks of discussions, Santos and Oil Search have agreed to a merger creating a $21 billion Asian oil and gas producer, which will boost the new entity's production of both fossil fuels and clean energy. Kevin Gallagher, boss of Santos, will be the chief executive of the new company. Santos investors will control 61.5% of the new entity and Oil Search investors the rest. The boards and management are happy, so now the deal goes to shareholders. Iress has extended the due diligence period to suitor EQT Funds Management by 10 days. EQT has bid $3.2 billion for the financial software group, and it's not really clear if the extension is positive or negative in terms of the deal. The Aussie dollar is trading at 73.8 US cents, and Wall Street ended lower this morning. The Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones Industrial Average were both down 0.4%, and the S&P 500 was off 0.5%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 10th of September 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of Fear and Greed, where I run through all the biggest stories of the week. And then on Sunday, I'm joined by the rest of the Fear and Greed team, Adam Lang and Michael Thompson, to give our take on some of the issues of the week. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.